the home of the best quiz channel. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates. Hey there! Can you help me out? Every time you get an answer right, we unlock each level. Let's work together to reveal it by the end. Ready? Let's dive in. Do you know who created Bitcoin? Here is the answer. Satoshi Nakamoto. What if I told you Bitcoin has a maximum supply limit? Can you guess how many will ever exist? Here is the answer. 21 million. If Bitcoin were a superhero, what would be the secret power that makes it secure? Here is the answer. Blockchain. What's this tiny unit called? Here is the answer. Satoshi. Which country made history by becoming the first to accept Bitcoin as legal tender? Here is the answer. El Salvador. Ever wondered how Bitcoin transactions get verified? What's this process called? Here is the answer. Mining. Crypto slang time. What does HODL really stand for? Here is the answer. Hold on for dear life. Every 4 years, something major happens in Bitcoin that reduces its supply. What is it called? Here is the answer. Reduce Bitcoin supply. Ethereum and Bitcoin are both big names in crypto. What makes Ethereum different? Here is the answer. It supports smart contracts. The first ever Bitcoin transaction had a special name. Do you know what it was? Here is the answer. Genesis block. What happens if you lose your Bitcoin private key? Here is the answer. You lose your Bitcoin forever. Let's test your crypto knowledge. Which of these is not a cryptocurrency? Here is the answer. PayPal. Congratulations, Quiz Master! You've completed all the questions and you are one of the top contenders. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay ready for the next challenge. Share with friends and see if they can beat you. Stay tuned for the next competition and aim for the title of Quiz Master. Thanks for playing, and see you at the next competition.